Devon House is located in the heart of Kingston. It is an oasis of lush greenery and a postage stamp of beauty. Devon House technically is not a great house since it was never a part of a plantation. However, it is included as a great house because it is a fine specimen of the plantation era and its designation by the Jamaican government as a heritage site.
Head east on Devon
Today
House.
I'm at Devon House. I'm going to meet up with my friend Chantel. So a few weeks ago I met up with a friend of mine. Her name is Jodi. She's also a YouTuber. You can go and check her out. Her name on YouTube is Jodi the Island Girl. But don't worry yourself, I'm going to leave the link to her channel in the description. So when Jodi and I met up a few weeks ago, we did a tour of Devon House. That's the great house. However, to make the entire video, like more informative, I decided that I wanted to show you guys Devon House ice cream, where a lot of people usually come to buy ice cream. So I haven't seen Shan in a while, so I'm going to link up with her and we're just gonna chill, and I'm going to show you everything that happened when Jodi and I met up and also everything that we do today. So this is Chantel and Taj, or Boo Boo. Yes, peeps. So we're going to go on. What we are do? We are sit down first, or we are go straight into buying with ice cream?
Let's get into the ice cream.
We carry my picnic bag, so we can sit down on the grass and chill.
Well, we're coming from Dragon Court. We just had dim sum earlier.
Ooh, so
it was really good.
So you couldn't invite me?
It wasn't planned, Shania. Why not gonna seem like that? It wasn't like that.
So alright, I understand it's a date. Alright, I'll excuse myself.
No, not like that. I'm coming up, but next time we'll let you know. We didn't plan it like that, okay? Forgive us.
Oh, Devon House looks so packed today. Check it out, guys. They can normally on Sundays tend to have more, yeah. Let me put on my mask. All this on my touch.
Pictures. Right away, same time. Right away, pictures.
Yeah, so you never know, so this was actually a line.
Yeah.
So we have a little bit.
That's good.
Yeah, compared to when I was. Devon House ice cream, and like the top ice cream. In Jamaica, and people come from all over come to taste.
Of course, because it is the best ice cream in Jamaica. Probably in the world too. So when it tastes not what it is.
What's your favorite ice cream in Devon House?
I don't really have a particular favorite, but right now I like craving something.
My favorite is chocolate. Most of the time.
Really? And don't chocolate all the time chocolate?
Well, I always like order that. It's on Roman raisin. But as of recent, I like crunchy munchy.
Oh.
That is good. I love the crunch.
Yeah, that one is really good too. That's like my second.
How about you, Taj? What's your favorite?
Anything with crunch, anything with chocolate, anything with nuts, which is crunch.
So you like when something like name again, pistachio?
I like pistachio, but I don't take it often. So crunchy munchy, cookies and cream, rum and raisin. I like the flavor of rum and raisin. So, yeah.
I can't say it's my favorite, but I do enjoy rum and raisin. Everyone know.
Yeah, anything with any peanut flavor, that's my thing.
Today I think I'll just take a waffle cone. Generally I will take a single cone, but
I'm going to take a single so you can see.
yeah, you take a single. Me take the waffle. Yeah, take us to the prices, guys. So with the waffle cone you can get 2 different flavors, but with the single cone you just get 1. And also you can put your toppings and so forth. So I just ordered the waffle cone and that came to $1,200. One I need and sprinkles. Toppings.
$300 additional for the toppings.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So $1,500.
So $1,500 because I added the toppings.
So this is a list I saw in Devon House showing the top 10 places in the world that you can get some of the best ice creams.
You know that they had the chocolate waffle cone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice. But for me, it's sweet.
Oh, too sweet, yeah. Sorry? I'll have the, the dragon stout and crunchy munchy. Stout first. Wait, action.
I forgot all screen.
Pardon? Only peanuts, no almond? Yeah. That's so pretty.
Yeah. Should I take a picture of them? Yeah, why it look like this? It's not good.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Wait, the both flavors are on it? Oh, just look short. Look short today.
Thank you.
So you got both?
I'll take this one. Thank you. Alright, come on, take a picture.
Sit down up here, sir.
Sure.
So guys, we've been having a very difficult time eating the ice cream. We couldn't video and eat at the same time because the ice cream is melting. But yeah man, it tastes good but it melt too fast. Such a beautiful day out.
Yeah. Can't say when last I said something.
Yeah. I haven't done it in years. Yeah? I came here, I think, last month with a friend of mine and Rico.
Really?
Yeah, we were under that tree though. You ever do the tour of the Great House?
Never.
Yeah.
It's how much for that?
How much I paid? Paid I think less than $2,000. Yeah. I thought it was more. Less than an hour. Yeah, but the tour guide that we went with a few weeks ago, she was very thorough. She's good man. She know our history. Yeah. So I went there with another YouTuber, Jodi. I tell you about her, right? Jodi the Island Girl.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So we did a tour of the place. So gonna actually put the video of that tour with you. But the only thing is that I couldn't vlog inside there.
Oh,
They wasn't allowed. Yeah. I see him some go Green Grotto Cave, you know. A long time more I'm going to start me I go vlog it. Only if you lady tell me so I can't vlog it. Yeah.
So
Go take pictures but no vlog. I guess if you put it out there nobody now gonna pay me go. Exactly.
Oh gosh. Really? But
Oh, boy, it's good.
it's not the same as being there.
Yeah. I I mean, we kind of get them points still, and I respected that. Maybe some people them would have still do the hide and do them video, but I feel guilty in myself. You know what I'm not supposed to do it.
You're supposed to post it on your video.
You could have sold me for that. You think so?
Yeah, because them tell well. I don't know if it's
But we never sign nothing, so we want to do it. So,
I guess them kind of say, boy, what them tell you so.
But that's for them word against mine.
That is true. That is true.
So, peeps, we're thinking about going to Blue Hole, which is in Ochi. Yeah, we got there, I think, before COVID, when COVID started, 2020, around 2019 in the summer. I went there with my family. Yeah. But yeah, man, we can make a trip outside and go there. Yeah. Yeah, man, guys, so we think about going to Blue Hole in March. It's a date. Yeah, so look out for that. We're going to vlog it. So where we are going from here, so we're going to get some patties. Curry goat patty. Let's go. Over here it's getting so packed now, guys.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
They eat the Sunday dinner and then come at Devon House and eat the ice cream.
Yeah.
Check it out. Yeah. I'm gonna put on my mask. You been to the Steakhouse before?
No, I want to come here.
I got there one time, I went with Jodi.
It was good.
Yeah man, food good, but I go back there. Alright, so that is the bakery where they sell the good patty. Curry patty.
I'm not going to get the curry. I'm going to try something.
They have different types of patties.
I think they have fish, lobster,
Oh yeah?
beef, chicken.
Is it 5 persons of that? We make 5.
You make 5?
We make 5.
Oh. Good afternoon. Hey,
Let's look at the patty.
we're looking at the patties. What are different patties that you have? Are all of them available?
No, we have fish, beef, chicken,
We're going to try the curry goats. Curry goat for me. Which one for you?
I think I'll try
So them have beef patty, chicken patty, callaloo patty, fish patty. Wow, fish patty. I've never tried that before. Curry patty, shrimp, lobster. Ackee and saltfish patty. Wait, so you have ackee and saltfish patty? Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna try that one. Good afternoon. I need curry goat patty, please. Do you have coconut water? And the coconut water. What's the price of the coconut water? 600. Yeah. Curry goat and a coconut water. 1,350. Thank you. Alright, so I got the curry goat patty and coconut water, and it came to 1,350. That's mine. That's not mine, no.
Very good, and?
Coconut water.
No, yes. with a curry with a fish and all.
No man, a curry goat patty and coconut water. That's what
Curry goat and a coconut.
strong. Thank you. You want the patties to go, Shan?
Oh, just the fish patty.
Where are we going to sit? Huh? Oh, let's go there. Oh, there's no table. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. And coconut water look good in so much nicer.
Coconut water is for what price there? 100 and no, that tax of 176. That's a tax. Oh, we never take note of them something.
Price is one up, my girl.
Coconut water for 521.
521.
You know, of course, tax there on it.
Okay, this is but a good amount still.
Yep. You know, coconut water good for the heart.
Yes.
Patty hot?
My hot man.
She have the fish and I have the curry.
Take your time.
One thing you know, when patty burn you.
Serious thing, you
A
know.
serious bond up and a very bond. See the curry patty. But I don't take a big bite yet. Yeah, but curry goes inside.
And this is the fish.
Just squeeze up the fish.
Is it good?
The man is good. Quite unique. Oh, this is the only place me ever saw curry patty.
Curry goat.
Curry.
Yeah.
Curry good. Yeah.
Hot to know.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. The fish. Yeah, them blend out the fish. To make
Minced fish.
It's inside here, so.
Oh God, you see the steam come off it. That's really no. Chanel. I have to bite up. Oh God.
I didn't bite that deep, you know. Let's open them more.
I think that's what it's like with eating
Oh,
patties.
goodness. So eat on that Tajay didn't buy patty. Now Tajay if you want patty, say patty.
Sorry. With you guys and Tej, you want piece of this patty.
Give Tajay.
Here it is.
Come Taj.
Here's the top. I'm a zoom.
Video you. Tell us how it tastes.
Alright, so the experience you have with the hot potty, that's the experience I had the last time.
Yeah?
I think it was with fish.
Oh, you bite deep too?
Yeah, and I don't do so well with meat. So my tongue easily scarred.
I think it's now when you're in a public and you bite and it's too hot, you can't spit out, you know? You have to just go like a stush and
You can feel it hot
That's
down.
the case. Yeah,
you're hot, man.
I'm serious.
no, I'm good.
I'll go bite in take. Like I told me, maybe the on camera and I want to take a bigger bite.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess with the people like that. Spoil the video. Yeah. Like patties, so I always like the crust.
Yeah, some people don't like the crust. I love the crust.
Jenny, we never capture it, but tell them how you almost won a vessel.
But I was here biting on my patty. And like something like some seasoning with hot, just drop on my lip.
Oh,
God.
God.
Oh God. Now I must reach hospital.
It's a nail that texture. It's from a patty.
Hot, man.
That's serious.
Right now, me I feel like you want to be so high span.
How is your patty, Chantel?
It's good.
What do you think about it?
No, it's the first time I tried the fish, and it's pretty flavorful. It's nice. I would try it again. But just that Chenny my own well hot too, so I'm gonna take the time.
Yeah, I take a little time and bite. You can't take a big bite when you're eating patty.
Be careful. Dangerous stuff. You said I put one in label on it.
Caution, extremely hot.
But this patty tastes better when it's hot. But you just have to be careful.
I'm ready to spin.
You have more? Oh. Crush on this, sorry.
No, don't fall it off.
Now I'm going to try my coconut water. Refreshing. Saying coconut water is good for your heart. It's a myth, right?
No,
No.
actually, it's actually good.
Yeah, it is.
I know it's good, but specifically your heart people always say, think of coconut water is good for your heart.
Well,
Like
What's about what's
yeah,
so good about it?
what about what pharmacological
Properties.
properties does it have to say that it's good for your heart?
Well, first of all, it's full of vitamins, minerals, electrolytes.
Electrolytes, yes.
Which I'm sure will have some heart.
Yeah.
If we're gonna do a video on coconut water, is it
True.
really good for your heart?
Yes. But scientific proof is there that
Yes.
coconut water is good for your heart.
Yes, drink a jelly every day.
Alright guys, now I'm gonna show you eating up all this patty. We just showing you what we buy and just telling you guys that it tastes good. So if you want to try it, you come over here, come buy it.
Yeah.
You not lose out, trust me. I miss say so, I mean you know something that tell lie. Boy,
Cut the film. Cut the film.
it's spicy. You know that this you must talk and eat.
No, but then you always have to wait up and say that.
I can say I lie. It is.
No, sir.
Remember to like,
Share
comment,
and subscribe.
And
and
subscribe.
Alright guys, I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre. Mwah. So guys, this is actually the line now. You can't see so clear because it's dark. What type of people? Good thing, sir. We will come early. Wow. So we late and I take picture.
Oh gosh, yes.
So guys, this is Jodi.
Yes,
Guys, this is Salvation Army people right here. So when you see them, make sure you donate something. Yeah man. Every mickle make a muckle. Yes guys, so we are late, but pretty sure that they will be able to accommodate us to do the tour.
We just want the package with the coconut water because we'll be having lunch in the courtyard after. Because you don't want the patty and the...
No, so. Oh, and this is Jodi's friend Crystal.
grog shop.
Oh, right. Okay.
The grog shop. So it's a restaurant, a bar, and a pizza place. Originally, the building was the Steakhouse.
Oh.
Okay.
So this is a great Devon House.
Yeah. But guess what now? You can only video outside, but
Right,
inside
No
we're not
problem,
allowed.
no problem.
Alright, you can take still photos inside. Still photos inside. But no video inside. Sorry.
A lot of people come here to have their wedding ceremonies as well,
We're
right?
having one tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So there, the ceremony going to be at the front here. So the chairs for the guests will be seated over here, and then the ceremony at the front.
Okay.
The stairs.
Can't wait to
And
hear
then
about the
the
history.
The reception over that side. So they're putting up the ceremony.
Alright guys, as you heard, the tour guide said that we won't be able to film inside the house, so I'll definitely be showing you pictures though.
George Stiebel, Jamaica's first black millionaire, is the owner of Devon House. He was the child of a German Jew and a Jamaican housekeeper. He was a carpenter, shipper, and a gun runner, but he found his fortune in Venezuela after investing in a gold mine. The mansion offers an eye-filling tour, which takes you through 9 exquisite rooms: the ballroom, games room, dining room, palm hall, drawing room, sewing room, young girls room, and a master's bedroom. The mansion is furnished with a collection of Jamaican, Caribbean, English, and French antiques, and with some Jamaican reproduction. Many dub it as a step back into the previous era. Well, want to learn more and see more of inside this mansion? Call and book a tour at Devon House.
His wife now used to travel along this road to go to halfway tree. But she never liked doing so because she has to pass here and look across there and see Mrs. Stiebel and the snub there. So what she did was ask her husband to build a special road for her, and then they made Lady Musgrave Road, so she could bypass there. So Lady Musgrave road starts right at King's house and it goes across the road.
Alright, so guys, the tour is over and Miss Norma did an excellent job. So I'll see you next time, Miss Norma.
Okay?
Yeah, next time when I bring someone. Alright, will do. Come on guys, so it's not about just coming here and eating ice cream and eating food, but we also were able to gain some knowledge as it relates to Devon House. Yes, yes. Yeah man.
So now I think I have a better appreciation for Devon House.
Exactly, exactly. Know the history surrounding it. Yeah, we were able to see some of the things that they used to use back in the days. You know? So the things which are more modernized now, for example, basic toiletry, we were able to see how their toilet looked back in the days. I was saying to Jodi earlier that when I was in high school, when I was around 18 thereabout, my friends and I, we saved money to come to Devon House. We make good road trip, you know guys, good road trip. We come Devon House, buy ice cream. So Devon House is a big deal, and it's one of those places that tourists and locals alike come to visit, you know, just to enjoy the ambience, the food, but as I always say, mostly the ice cream, because when people think of Devon House, they think about ice cream. Yeah man. And Jodi was telling me earlier too that she used to come here on her dates.
Yes.
This was a spot.
The mother.
Yeah man, but you used to live closer to Devon House than me.
Yeah.
And me now grew up in a country, so you know I go. Real man, good road trip to come Kingston. You see, I filming and not even realizing. So guys, we'll be having lunch at the Steakhouse, which is located same place at Devon House. Let me show you it guys, hold on. Alright, so this is a Steakhouse. have the pork chops, Hawaiian pork chops. Yes.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
For the drink.
You like some? Find the second. Jodi love food, man, guys. She love food.
I am certified foodie over here. No shame in my game.
They have company. They have company. We were just looking at the drink menu, right? So I said to Jodi that we ordered coconut water already and we haven't gotten it. So maybe we could just have that instead of order another drink. My girl said no, she still want the coconut water and something else on the drink menu. It's not easy. It's not easy. Trust me.
Here, guys. Yes, so we need the rice.
Alright, let's eat.
Now, use that for coconut, use fast alone. I'm going to do it now. I'm going to talk fast. Alright, so just start, so we use fast alone, no problem. Use that fast.
I just use a fork alone. No. Black Russian?
I'm going to do something creamy.
Thank you.
Oh, no.
Thank you. So we're leaving Steakhouse now. Food was delicious. Belly full. How was it for you, Chris?
It was delicious.
Joe?
You really want to hear?
You really want to hear?
Not enough.
After that big plate of food that you eat, not enough. So yes, I still haven't finished my coconut drink. Coconut water. Me tell coconut drink. Coconut water. Yeah, belly full.
Because of Devon House, it's probably different. And the coconut water is coconut drink.
Yeah, so tea?
Yeah,
Or the coffee shop?
No, man. They do. Oh my god. Who is it again?
So, see ya soon.
On the road. Remember to subscribe, Jodi the Island Girl.
Yes, Jodi the Island Girl, guys. I will leave the link in the description to our channel. So you go over there and subscribe. Like the video them, share the video them. Yeah? Alright, so see you soon, guys. Cheers.